couple of years ago, Vicki and I were in Birmingham and we stopped at a store and went in. And as she was looking around, I found a rack that really piqued my interest. It was a rack of clothes where people had brought clothes back to that particular store. Now, that's not unusual, but what was unusual is that people had actually written a message of why they had returned that particular piece of clothing to the store. And the store had left those notes on that garment. And so as you kind of went through the rack and looked at the different pieces of clothing, you would find different messages, like on a jacket, wrong color, a pair of pants, they didn't fit. So I was making my way through that rack when I found this shirt that someone had brought back, and on the shirt was this little message pinned to the shirt: lost its oomph. Now initially I laughed, and then I thought, what does that mean? Does that mean they washed the shirt and it didn't return to its original shape? What exactly does that mean? But when we think about it, at least when we apply it to life, you know what it means. It means to lose that sense of vitality and joy, that sense of energy, the spirit of energy that all of us bring with us to life. And you know, as well as I do, that it's easy to lose that in life. We are living in stressful times. We are. We are living in a time where the pace of change is quick, where the pace of life is just fast. And it can wear you out. It can wear you down. As a matter of fact, increasingly, as I listen to people talk about their life and about the challenges they face with their life, that's the most common story. It's easy to lose your oomph, to lose that sense of vitality and joy. And we Christians, we talk a lot about joy. We use the word, but do we live the reality? That's the question, isn't it? And is there a way to cultivate joy in your life, especially in the midst of so much change and so much stress? Well, this month, on Sunday mornings, we are going to be looking at that very thing, cultivating joy in stressful times. And I hope that you will come and be a part of this. We're going to be looking at the book of Philippians. The theme of that letter is the theme of joy. And we're going to be talking about how to cultivate joy in our life, not just as a word, but as a reality. We worship on Sundays at 8:15 and 10:30, and I invite you to join us. I hope to see you there.